I like me better when I'm with you.
We are just gathered here today with Ratchet and Amy Rose. Amy, will you take your Ratchets to be your husband?
I do.
And Ratchets, do you take Amy Rose to be your wife?
I do.
Alright, you may now kiss the bride.
Well, Nightmare, we could have done it without you. Me 2. Me 3. Me 4. Me 5.
I know, guys. Also, me 6.
Maybe you ever die. Oh, maybe you are lonely.
And I got a little surprise for you. In that contract you signed, you got to keep the corporate plane.
Yeah!
Peter, how are you doing that?
I don't know, Lois. I'm scared.
Do 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 do.